Welcome to Wizzy Chanel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic about the end of tutorials, how this free AI is transforming how we learn software forever. Imagine having an expert coach available 24/7 to guide you through learning any software. Someone who answers your questions instantly and helps you master tools through hands-on guidance. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's now possible, and here's the kicker. It's completely free. Meet Google AI Studio, a revolutionary platform changing the way we learn software. You may not need traditional tutorials or even me anymore, but hey, we've had a good run. Let's explore how to make the most of this game-changing tech. First, head to the Google AI Studio website and sign in with your Google account. If you're unfamiliar with this platform, it's primarily designed as a development hub for creating, training, and deploying AI solutions using Google's cutting-edge technology. But here's the twist. You don't need to be a developer to benefit from it. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the main interface. On the left-hand navigation panel, locate the Stream Real-Time option. This feature allows you to interact with AI in real time using text, voice, video, or even screen sharing. Think of it as having a virtual assistant that observes your work and offers actionable insights on the spot. To see how it works, enable the microphone and screen sharing. For instance, if you're working in Microsoft Excel and need help splitting data into separate columns, the AI guides you step by step. 1. Ask the AI for help. I have the product and location data in one column, but I'd like to separate them. 2. The AI explains. Use the Text to Columns feature. Select the column, go to the Data tab, and find the Text to Columns option. 3. Follow prompts to select Delimited. Choose the delimiter, like a comma and space, and voila. Your data is separated into 2 columns. The AI doesn't just tell you what to do. It ensures you're in the right place and offers clarifications along the way. Need to analyze your data further? The AI can guide you in creating a pivot table. 1. Select your data, include headers, then go to the Insert tab and choose Pivot Table. 2. Build your table. Drag location to the rows area and units sold to the values area. This shows the total units sold per location. 3. Add insights. Drag product to columns for a breakdown of sales by product and location. The AI highlights key trends, like which products perform best or worst. In one example, it pointed out that chocolate chip cookies outsold oatmeal raisin, with snickerdoodles trailing as the least popular. The AI isn't limited to spreadsheets. Let's switch gears to video editing with DaVinci Resolve. If you've never used this free software, it's a robust tool for creating professional quality videos. Say you want to zoom in on a clip from start to finish. 1. Select the clip and open the inspector panel, found on the upper right of the screen. 2. Adjust the zoom settings. Use keyframes to animate the zoom effect, starting at 1.0 and gradually increasing to, say, 1.24 by the end of the clip. 3. The AI walks you through each step, ensuring your timeline looks smooth and polished. The AI also shines in PowerPoint, helping you create more engaging presentations. For example, if your slide on future plans feels uninspiring, it suggests 1. Adding a visual element, like a map showing expansion plans. 2. Searching for a suitable world map image and resizing it to fit your slide. 3. Including customer photos or other visual aids to make your presentation pop. While Google AI Studio is a powerful learning tool, there are a few caveats to keep in mind. 1. Data privacy. Be cautious about sharing sensitive or confidential information. Google's free plan may use your data to improve its models. 2. Feature requests. A potential improvement could be screen annotations where the AI highlights or draws directly on your screen. This would make instructions even more precise. This technology is a leap forward for self-paced learning. Whether you're navigating Excel, editing videos, or crafting presentations, Google AI Studio adapts to your needs and accelerates your learning curve. Will you be trying this out? Let me know in the comments. And who knows? Maybe AI will answer your next question before I do. See you in the next video. Unless, of course, the AI gets there first. Bye-bye.